To make the model, you need to add a cylinder and we will go with the 24 words. Then scale the cylinder along the z-axis. Then you need to select the top and bottom faces and then delete these faces like this. After that, you need to use the knife tool and you need to use the constraint at there. So select the first point, then press C and then press Z. Select the second point and then press enter. Then you will get this perfect cut at there. Then give the right position to this cut. Then you need to add one loop cut on your model. Then select these faces and then scale these faces like this. So just scale it down along the X and Y axis and just move it along the Z axis little bit like this. You will get this decent looking form. Now you need to add few more loop cuts on your model. These are the supportive loop cuts. Then we will add the subdivision surface modifier. So just add that subdivision modifier and viewport level will be 2. So just Ctrl R and then add a few more loop cuts on your model to create a next design. And then select these loop cuts and then you need to use the Ctrl B and then add a bevel on these loop cuts. Then give the right bevel width at there. After that, you need to decrease that selection by pressing minus key, Ctrl minus key, and then scale it down like this. Then you need to scale down this loop cut along its normal by pressing Alt S. You can adjust that offset amount at there. After that, you need to add a small bevel at there. So add a bevel with the Ctrl B and add a 2 segment bevel at there. And give the small bevel width at there for the bevel. So you will get a decent looking design like this. Then you can select these edges and you can add a bevel on these edges also. Shift select and then add a bevel with the Ctrl B. And this time we will go with the 2 segment bevel and then shade smoothing. You will get a decent looking form like this, the decent looking design. You can find such kind of designs on a bottle caps like it can be a perfume bottle or it can be the cosmetic bottles. And now you can see you can play with that design and you can refine your model as much as you can and try to get a decent one. So use your creativity and create something out of it, which you can use it in your work. We have created this decent looking cap and this design looks pretty well. So in this way you can create this kind of designs. You can experiment with your modeling skill. You can see the topology of this model which looks pretty well and we are getting the decent form out of it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial then hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.